What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're here and I'm trying to show my friend how to be nicer. He's kind of an asshole, but we're gonna fix that today. Here, you can meet him right now. His name is Grumpy. What's up, you idiots? Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm not playing with you. No, Grumpy, see, now we have to be a little nicer than that. Just be like, hey guys, if you would like and subscribe, I really appreciate it. Nah, fuck that. Like and subscribe. Hey guys, Grumpy here, and today, I'm gonna be fucking with people. Fuck the world. I don't have a date for Valentine's Day. Fuck. Good night.
Hey everyone, I'm Dick Nose. Today, I'm gonna be finding love. I was born with a penis as my nose.
Ah, fuck humbug. Fuck all that. Fuck that.
Fuck you, bitch! I hate you! Hey, how are you doing?
Valentine's Day, I want some fucking pussy.
No, you can't have it! Get away!
Give me that fucking pussy. I don't care.
No!
Ah! Ah! And that's it. You like it? You guys suck. Man, I hate books. Shit sucks. Sup, loser? What are you reading?
No,
My name's Grumpy.
no. I'm just sitting here.
What are you reading?
Oh, I'm just looking at a civil service thing, for instance.
That book stinks. You gotta read about politics.
Yep.
That's the good
Grumpy,
stuff.
what are you talking to? Who are you?
Get out of here,
Are you talking to
lady.
my man?
Get out of here. Go.
Who are you, Grumpy? Are you cheating on me again?
No. Oh my
You
god
with
damn
that
it.
man?
Get away from me. Do you have clothes for little people? I'm looking for something he could fit.
Unfortunately for that, anything outside probably.
So I'm looking for something for him to eat. His name's Grumpy. Would you have like any suggestions of like something small he can eat? Or something cheap? Something cheap.
Small,
Something cheap.
kid,
Yeah, for him.
Argentina.
How much are they?
Great.
They're free?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not hungry anymore. Just go already! Quit being a pussy!
Sexually, not.
Did you seriously think that truck was good? Get off the road with that thing! Lady, you should not be behind the wheel! You see me crossing? Stop!
He's just laughing. It's crazy.
That car's a piece of hunk. You need to put it back in the trash with your outfit. Hey, pass into the road, you idiot! Grumpy, you gotta start being nicer to people. Like, you've been being an asshole all day, bro. And it's not cool, bro. Like, I'm actually getting fed up. It's weird as fuck, bro. Fuck you! You can't do shit to me. Bro, if you keep being an asshole, bro, I'm gonna have someone rip you apart. Fuck you! Do it, pussy! Alright, bro. Alright. I just wanted to let you know this place is a terrible establishment. Last time I got the chicken tenders, and I did not like them. I'm sorry about him. He's grumpy.
Grumpy, you could have got yourself in a lot of trouble back there. She was threatening to kill you.
Shut the fuck up. Shut up.
Fuck you, Grumpy.
Shut up.
I deserve better than this. It's
No.
Valentine's Day.
Shut up. Shut up.
I'll kill you.
Shut up.
I fucking killed you, bitch. And guess what? Now I'm gonna kill myself. Ah! Ah! Ah!